Welcome to GTB Manager. Recently, a couple of our customers raised feature requests. One of them wanted to update employee ID for Google Workspace users in bulk, and another one wanted to put manager's email for a bunch of users at once. Though we did not have this feature, but we thought these are important features, so we just added them. And in this video, I'll show you how you can use these new features to bulk update your users additional information for their profile, including things like employee ID, job title, department, manager's email, etc. So for that, I'll go to extension in my Google Sheet where I want to use GTB Manager, and I will click on launch to launch GTB Manager. If you need help with the installation, please visit our website for installation instructions. Once the add-on is launched in the sidebar, I will click on Manage Users. Sometimes it takes a bit of time to load because of the app script. So if you see these blank, just change a couple of tabs and the drop-downs will have the values then. Under Manage Users, I will go to Update Users. If you already have the Update Users sheet installed, it will not ask you to insert it. I don't have it yet, so it's asking me to insert it. So I'll click on Execute to insert the sheet, and now it's taking me to the Update Users sheet. Now you will notice that we have added more columns in the Update Users sheet, like Manager Email, Employee ID, Employee Department, and Job Title. You can put the values here to update these values for a bunch of users at once. So I've pasted information for these users. Users' primary email address is required, as we can see the asterisk here, to update users' information. So I provided primary email address, and then I also added details for manager email, employee ID, employee department, and job title. Now I've added other domains and gmail.com as well, because Google allows it. But in your case, you would probably be using your own domain to provide manager's email. But Google accepts any value here. Now, please pay attention to change password at next login when you're updating users, because by default, the value of change password at next login, even if you leave this field empty, is true. That means at next login, your users will be required to change their passwords at next login. If you do not want this to take place, please make sure you put false, as I did when updating your users. So now I'm expecting that these users' additional details will be updated in bulk. But before I run the operation, let me take you to Admin Console, and maybe we can pick one of these users like test user 4 and search for this user. Go to its details in our Admin Console, click on user information, and we see that we do not have any of this information filled for this user. So we'll come back to our Google Sheet, and under Update Users, we are selecting Update Users. We will click on Execute to execute this operation. And within a few seconds, GTB Manager will let us know the status, and it says it has updated all the records. Now we can go back here and let's do quick reload of the browser, and we see that employee ID, job title, manager's email, and the department has been changed or added. We can pick one more, such as test 1, and we can check for that too. But we'll go to this user's details, and let's click on user information, and we see that this information has been added for this user as well. This is how you can bulk update your users' employee ID, manager email, employee department, and job title with GTB Manager. You can do much more with GTB Manager, and we are constantly adding new features based on customers' feedback, like these features. To learn more, please visit our website GW Manager and start with our free plan. Thank you for watching.